Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Bynder for brand approvals workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing your Bynder for the brand approvals workflow, log into your Bynder account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Select User Management from the drop-down menu to access your user settings. In the User Management section, find the user you wish to authorize for brand approvals. Click on the user's name to open their profile settings. Within the profile, locate the Roles section. Ensure the user has been assigned the appropriate permissions for brand approvals. If not, select the option to edit their role. In the Editing menu, check the box for brand approvals to grant this permission. After updating the role, click the Save button to ensure your changes are applied. Return to the main settings menu, and this time select Brand Management. Here, locate the specific brand you want to configure for the approvals workflow. Click on the brand name to access its settings. Navigate to the Approvals tab within the brand settings. In this tab, you can set up the workflow stages for the brand approvals process. Define the steps of the approval workflow according to your organization's requirements. Assign the appropriate users to each stage of the approvals workflow. Once all stages have been defined and users assigned, save your changes. To test the workflow, initiate a new brand asset that requires approval. Monitor the approval process to ensure all users receive the necessary notifications. Review any feedback provided in the approval stages to make adjustments as needed. This process ensures that your Bynder account is properly authorized for an efficient brand approvals workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.